If you get this error message in the finals which say connection failed, your login attempt failed, please try again with an error code as you see it here on the screenshot. Then I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. So listen to this tutorial very carefully. Now, in most cases, you'll get this error when the servers are down, which is the game servers, which is the finals. If you go here to the X page for server status, you can see the final servers are down. And when they are down, a lot of people are facing this error message here. Even if you go to the finals subreddit, you can see a lot of people are complaining regarding this issue. And a lot of people just suggest that the servers are down. As you can see here, confirm the servers are down right now. As you can see, people say getting the same error, seems like servers are down. Now, if the servers are down, you just need to wait for a few hours until the issue will just resolve by itself. However, you can try the following fixes. So this is confirmed that you'll get this error when the game servers are down. However, you can try the following. Some people reported that they were able to solve this issue by just trying the following fixes. Now, the first thing you need to do is restart your device and router. This is to ensure that you have a good internet connection. Now, if you get this on Xbox, just factory reset your Xbox console, but choose to keep games and apps installed. To factory reset your console, go to Settings, select System, select Console Info, choose Reset Console, choose Reset and keep my games and apps. So factory reset your Xbox console, but choose to keep your games and apps installed. To factory reset your console, go to Settings, select System, select Console Info, select Reset Console, choose Reset and keep my games and apps installed. So this is a basic guide on how to fix this issue as you see it here on the screenshot, which say connection failed with an error code as you see it here on the screenshot. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. But in most cases, you'll get this error when the game servers are down. You just need to wait for a few hours and the game will resolve by itself. However, you can try the following fixes, which I've shown you, and you'll be able to resolve this issue.